Today I'm going to make some tea cakes. The recipe I got online from Grandma Gloria. She has a YouTube channel. And this is a recipe that reminds me of the tea cakes that my grandmother used to make. I made these before. And I'm going to double the recipe. So what I have here is it calls for 1 cup of butter. 1 cup of butter. I'm going to use 2 cups because I'm doubling the recipe. 1 1/4 cup of sugar, but it's going to be 2 1/2 cups. 2 eggs, it'll be 4 eggs. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have that in here already. I also asked for 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. I'll put a teaspoon in there because I'm doubling it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon because I'm doubling the recipe. 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. So a teaspoon's in there as well. I'll be whisking that together. The only other thing I need to do is I need to get my 2 1/2 cups of sugar. So let me go get that. Did forget to get that together. So to start out, we cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. So here's my 2 1/2 cups. Pour that in there. And I'm going to add my butter. And I've had my butter, flour, and eggs sitting out to get to room temperature. So it'll be easier for it to be creamed and to work with. My hands are clean. Did that before I started prepping my ingredients. Always have clean hands when you're in the kitchen cooking or baking. And it's that nutmeg that makes this recipe. It sets it apart because once you get it together and you can smell that nutmeg in there, it smells like Teacakes. Now it says to beat in the eggs one at a time. So I'm going to start doing that. Before I do, I'm going to show you that the butter and sugar has become a lot smoother than when we started. Plus I want to get it off of this attachment. Go ahead and crack 1 egg and then turn the mixer back on. And I will mix each egg in there until it's combined well in the mixture before adding the next one. And if you have your eggs on the counter and then crack them into the mixture, you have less chance of getting eggshells in your batter. Now it says to add the vanilla. Vanilla is 1 teaspoon for one batch, but I'm doubling, so I need 2 teaspoons. Shake it before I put it in there, and this is the Costco vanilla. Here's 1 teaspoon. We're gonna need 2 of them because again we're doubling the batter. 1. There's 2. A little bit in there. And yep, making another mess. All for the course for me. Now you can put it all in there, but see how the flour flies out of there? It makes even more mess. That's why I'm putting a little bit in there at a time. Oh wow, I can smell that nutmeg and it smells like tea cakes. Let's add a little bit more of the flour mixture. And we just need to mix the flour in here. Then we're going to take it off, take it out, and knead it for a little bit. Because you need to knead it on a floured surface. Oops. Let me unplug that. Pour it out of the way. Get a little flour for that. You only have to knead it a few times for the recipe. For a few turns, and then you're going to cover and refrigerate. You just need to knead it. It's set for a few turns. I was going to need more flour, but I don't think I will. I actually have too much as it is. Now, we're supposed to cover and refrigerate this again until firm. This says about 30 minutes. That'll give me plenty of time to clean up, sanitize this counter. That's going to do it for me as far as the kneading. That out of there. Put that back in there. You go wash my hands, and I gotta get a cover to put it in there. Put it in the fridge. I'm just gonna cover it with saran wrap. before I do that, let me get this excess flour off the counter. Now, let's clean up our mess. And it is quite the mess, isn't it? A dishcloth that has dish soap on it. I'll use this first. And then I will follow up with, I have Clorox wipes. And that's how I will sanitize. When I'm baking, I have found that I need to have one of those anti-fatigue mats. That's what I'm standing on, because if I don't, my back will tell me that I messed up and that I'm going to hurt you for the rest of the day. And I don't want that to happen. So thankfully, I got an anti-fatigue mat, which I'm standing on, and it is working wonders. Now, when you clean your stand mixer, and again, this is a KA, always have it unplugged. You don't want it to be plugged in while you're wiping it down, sanitizing it, cleaning it, because it might turn on, lose some fingers, get some kind of injury, which you don't want. These mats, they glide, and I got these off Amazon. Miss Brazil, I follow her on YouTube. She recommended these and they are a lifesaver. Now I want to get the wipes. I'll show you that knob I pushed in and it was wobbling. It's this knob right here. But I pushed it in as far as it'll go now. So I'll put in a little bit more. I've noticed that gets loose a little bit sometimes. You have to push it back in. It's been a little over 30 minutes. And I don't want to roll the dough out. I want to do a trial. I just want to scoop something out. Oven's preheated to 325. I'm going to bake one. Hands are clean. Bring it out a little bit. And I want to see how it turns out. It will be thicker than the 1/4 of an inch because you roll it out to 1/4 of an inch. You follow the directions. But I want to be lazy because I want to freeze this dough. Let's see here. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven, so it'll be a little long because that's thicker. Unless I spread it out a little bit more. Okay, let's see. So it took 15 minutes to cook the bottom. Put the inside of it. That's the tea cake. for my grandmother. They have been flash frozen for an hour. I'll label them. And now, the packaging. I'm gonna need more bags. Thanks for watching. I'll bag these up.